Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Moringa, a single tree that can fuel your generator, feed your family, stock your medicine cabinet, and even clean your drinking water. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why people call it the miracle tree. Let's get into it. And hey, if you're enjoying the channel, smash that like button. It really helps us grow. 1. Biofuel, renewable energy from your own backyard. Moringa seeds are roughly 35 to 40% oil by weight, near the top of the list for homegrown oil crops. That oil, called Ben oil, converts into biodiesel that runs unmodified diesel engines, and you can press it at home with a basic manual seed press. What sets it apart is shelf life. Most plant oils go rancid within months. Moringa oil resists oxidation and stores for years. Its high oleic acid content, around 73%, also gives it excellent combustion performance. A mature tree produces 400 to 600 seed pods a year, each holding 15 to 25 seeds, 6,000 to 15,000 seeds annually. At 35% oil content, that's roughly 2 to 3 quarts of oil per year. Not enough to fill a gas tank, but plenty for a generator, lawnmower, or small farm engine during an outage. To extract it, dry the seeds, shell them, crush the kernels, and press with a $100 to $150 manual seed press. Use the oil directly as biodiesel or refine it further with a simple methanol and lye step. For Gulf South homesteaders, where Moringa thrives outdoors year-round, that's real energy independence. During hurricane season, when the grid goes down for days, that fuel keeps the fridge, fans, and essentials running. Even the leftovers pay off. The seed cake left after pressing is about 60% protein, making great livestock feed or fertilizer. Nothing goes to waste. And it's pet safe. Leaves, seeds, and oil are non-toxic and even beneficial for dogs and cats. Money math. A 50 seed packet runs $10 to $15. One mature tree, 2 to 3 years to establish, produces enough seed to plant 100 plus new trees, or extract oil worth $15 to $20 at commercial biodiesel prices. But the real value is having fuel security on your own land. 2. A superfood leaf that outguns every vegetable. Ounce for ounce, Moringa leaves pack roughly 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the calcium of milk, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 2 times the protein of yogurt, figures backed by USDA nutrient data. Eat the leaves fresh or dried. Fresh leaves taste a bit peppery, like arugula, and work in salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Dried leaves grind into a powder you can stir into almost anything. The standout feature? Moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a rare complete plant protein, something most vegetables can't claim. A cup of fresh leaves has about 2 grams of complete protein, 2 tablespoons of powder delivers 4 to 5 grams, plus a broad vitamin and mineral profile. That calcium matters for anyone skipping dairy, especially for bone health past 50. And the iron, paired with Moringa's own vitamin C for better absorption, helps offset a common deficiency. Growing your own means harvestable leaves nearly year-round in warm climates. Trim the branch tips weekly and the tree just grows back bushier. In Florida, Southern California, Arizona, and along the Gulf Coast, one tree can supply fresh greens 52 weeks a year. In colder regions, grow it in a pot you bring indoors, or treat it as a fast, productive annual. And yes, it's pet safe. Moringa leaf is even sold as a pet supplement. Money math, fresh organic Moringa runs $15 to $20 a pound at health stores, and the powder $25 to $35 a pound. One backyard tree can yield 50 to 100 pounds of leaves a year in a warm climate, easily $750 to $2,000 worth of superfood from a couple of dollars in seed. 3. Natural medicine from the same tree. Moringa has a 4,000-year medicinal track record across Ayurvedic, African, and indigenous American traditions, and modern studies back up a lot of it. The leaves carry anti-inflammatory compounds, isothiocyanates, flavonoids, phenolic acids, and research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology links Moringa extract to meaningful drops in inflammatory markers, relevant for arthritis, joint pain, and general chronic inflammation. Lab studies show it fights bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Staph, while its fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds support gut health and may ease IBS-related symptoms within a few weeks of daily use. Blood sugar research is promising too. Daily Moringa leaf powder has been shown to lower glucose in diabetic patients and improve cholesterol numbers, lower LDL and triglycerides, steady or higher HDL over about 12 weeks. Add roughly 46 distinct antioxidant compounds, vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and Moringa's antioxidant capacity actually outranks blueberries and acai on standard lab measures. Most people just stir 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried powder into a smoothie daily, and it's pet safe. Vets often recommend it as a supplement for dogs and cats too. Money math: capsule supplements run $20 to $40 a month at the store. Grow your own tree and you get unlimited leaves for medicinal use after a seed cost of a few dollars. Emergency water purification. Crushed moringa seeds contain proteins that act as natural flocculants. They bind to dirt, bacteria, and organic matter in water and pull it to the bottom, leaving clearer water on top. Research out of Penn State and other institutions has found this method removes 90 to 99% of bacteria, including E. coli, and 80 to 90% of sediment. It's not a substitute for boiling or full disinfection, but it's a genuinely useful first-stage treatment when the tap runs dry or turns cloudy. The method? Crush about 2 seeds per liter of water. Stir in for 5 minutes, let it sit for 1 to 2 hours while sediment settles, then carefully pour off the clear water and boil or treat it as usual. This approach has been used for decades in parts of Africa and Asia and has even been distributed by aid groups like the Red Cross after disasters. For anyone in hurricane or wildfire country, keeping dried seeds on hand is a cheap, no-electricity backup. They stay viable for 1 to 2 years if kept dry, and it's pet safe once the water's fully treated. Money math? Purification tablets run $10 to $15 for enough to treat 50 liters. Filters cost $100 to $300 plus replacement cartridges. One backyard tree produces thousands of seeds a year, essentially free. 5. Edible pods and seeds, serious plant protein. The young seed pods, called drumsticks, taste something like asparagus and cook up like green beans, boiled, steamed, or added to soups and curries. A cup of cooked drumsticks has about 2 grams of protein, plus solid vitamin C and iron. The mature seeds are even more impressive, 35 to 40% protein by weight, and complete protein at that. Eat them raw, roasted, or boiled. Roasting mellows the bitterness into something like a roasted chickpea. About 10 to 15 roasted seeds a day gets you 5 to 7 grams of complete protein, comparable to an egg. One tree can produce 4,000 to 15,000 seeds a year, giving vegetarians and vegans a genuine complete protein source that most plant foods can't match. And yes, pet safe and increasingly used in premium pet foods. Money math? Fresh drumsticks sell for $4 to $6 a pound, dried seeds $15 to $20 a pound. A mature tree's annual pod harvest can be worth $80 to $240. 6. Free, high-protein livestock and poultry feed. Moringa leaves run 25 to 30% protein by dry weight, beating alfalfa, and the leftover seed cake hits 60%, on par with soybean meal. Backyard chicken keepers can cut feed costs fast. Hens fed Moringa reportedly lay more eggs with richer yolks, and fresh leaves can replace 30 to 50% of store-bought feed. Goats show gains in milk yield, and even farmed fish like tilapia grow faster on Moringa supplemented diets. Eat it fresh or dry it as hay. It keeps 80 to 90% of its nutrition dried. It's safe for all common livestock and pets, and vets increasingly recommend it as a supplement. Money math: a flock burning through $40 to $50 in feed monthly could save 12 to 25 of that with one tree's leaves, $150 to $300 a year, or thousands over a tree's 20-plus year lifespan. 7. Free fertilizer and soil builder. Moringa leaves are loaded with cytokinins, natural growth hormones, and studies show soil amended with moringa leaf can boost nearby plant growth by 25 to 30% compared to standard compost. It also has a mild nitrogen-fixing effect through soil bacteria, and its deep taproot, 6 to 10 feet in mature trees, pulls nutrients up from deep soil layers and drops them at the surface through leaf fall. The easiest way to use this? Chop and drop. Every 4 to 6 weeks, cut branches. Use the leaves for food or feed, and chop the stems into mulch. The tree responds by growing back even bushier. It also makes a great nurse tree in food forests. Fast growth, light shade, no harmful allopathic effects on neighboring plants, and it stabilizes bare or eroding soil within weeks of planting. Pet safe as mulch too, naturally. Money math. Garden fertilizer and compost can run $100 to $300 a season. One mature tree can produce 100 to 200 pounds of free mulch material a year, covering that cost entirely. All right, plant friends, if this was useful, subscribe to the channel for more practical plant knowledge. Are you already growing moringa or thinking about starting? Drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.